So Tesla is still telling, we're at the gathering space, and Tesla is still letting us know that it has not made a decision. Right now, it's still hanging around at that support area, which is on the flat 50 EMA, and I found that on the 30-minute chart. As you can see, Tesla was finding support right here on the 30-minute chart. So I always ask myself, okay, Dee Dee, where am I going to have trouble? Where are my trouble places? And those moving averages help me identify where I'm going to have trouble. And some people get confused on them, but once you get to, it's like a pattern. Once you start using them and start getting yourself more familiar with it, it becomes easier and easier. And please understand, this is not going to be something that happens overnight. It takes time of learning and consistency and being consistent and determined. So Tesla is finding support at this level. If we break through this level, the next level of support is here. I'm going to go back down to my smaller time frame because I need to see what Tesla is doing right now. On the 5-minute, it is breaking through that support. It came down past that support area. 429.36 was my area. It came down to 429.31, as you can see right here. However, 429.17 is my next level of support. Sometimes it can break through that line, but did it close under that line? And did it continue to the downside? So those are things that you have to pay attention to. But if you look at Tesla on the 5-minute chart, you can step back. I mean, if you zoom out a little bit, you can see that Tesla is trending down. And how do I know that? Because it is making lower lows. Every time it goes down, it's getting lower and lower. And so the trend for Tesla is down, and Tesla is trading under its 5 EMA. So that's another, okay, I should not be in the upside of this trade because the Tesla is trending down. One, always know your trend. Your trend is down. It's under the 5 EMA. So that is definitely a bearish signal for me. I should not be in calls if I'm trading options, yes, I should not be in calls if I'm trading options. Okay, so we're back at the 1-minute chart for Tesla, and Tesla did come down to that support area, but it did not break through that support area, but it looks like it is trying to do so. We're having trouble. The stock is trending down, and guess what? Tesla has broke through that 50 EMA, which I marked on my 30-minute chart. If you go here and see, I marked that on my 30-minute chart. Tesla is having trouble in that area. And my next level of support is right here. If Tesla breaks this level of support, what happens next? That's my question. What happens next? Okay, I'm going to go to a higher time frame, which is my 1-hour chart. My 1-hour chart is going to tell me a little bit more information. Okay, if Tesla breaks through that level of support that I marked, then I have a problem right here because it could come all the way down and find support right here on that level. And I'm going to put this as the 1 hour. Change it to the color that I know that it is. And you have to do what colors work for you or something that you can remember. And this is the 50. That is the 50 EMA on the 1-hour chart. So did Tesla is breaking through, if you can look at it, Tesla is breaking through that support that I had marked. That was my trouble place. There it is right here. That's why it is very important to go and mark those. And if you notice here, Tesla is coming down on the 1-minute, 5-minute, it's coming down, it's breaking through. Well, it touched that level of support. Is Tesla going to continue to the downside? These are questions that I would ask myself. Okay, Dee Dee, is Tesla going to continue to the downside? It's showing me that it's trending down. It's breaking through the levels that I've marked as support. So what's going to hold Tesla up? What is going to cause it to not continue to the downside? Is it going to come down to this 1 hour, 50 EMA on the 1 hour? We've broken through all of the levels of support that I've marked. So I'm on the 1 hour. There is my support. I need to go to the 4 hour. I'm going to zoom out now because it looks like we're breaking to this place. I do know that these dots here are the ATR trailing stop. That is strong support, or yes, strong support or strong resistance. So I'm going to mark this as the ATR. Sorry. And that's on the 1 hour. I'm going to mark that and I'm going to hit OK because I need to know that. And if you, yeah, I need to know that I'm going to have trouble at this place. If Tesla breaks through this place, then my next level of support is at this place. So I'm going to go back down to see where we are. On the 30-minute chart, Tesla has broke through the levels that I marked, and we're continuing to the downside. On the 5-minute, we're still trending down. We're still going down, so Tesla has not found support yet. So I would not be looking for an upside move to this or an upside trade, because I don't know where it's going to stop falling. I don't know where the support is. So I'm going to still watch. If anything, I will be in puts in Tesla. However, the market is not open. So I will be trading Tesla to the downside. And why would I say that? One, there's my indicator right there. My 5 and my 50 crossed right here. And my MACD showed me a sign right here that I need to be trading Tesla to the downside. And after going, as you can see, my MACD confirmation and my 5 and 50 was confirmation, but Tesla started trending to the downside. So all of these things are just factors long. Listen, trading is like putting a puzzle together. You have to learn one piece at a time and don't get overwhelmed. You learn that piece and you apply it to your puzzle, and then you pick up the next piece and learn something else. Try not to get overwhelmed with it, because it can really be fun. You just have to make it fun, you know? So yeah, look, find something that you like, stick to what you like, learn that stock, trade the exact same stock over all day, every day. Trade the same thing and ride with that. And you know what? Small profits equal big gains. And you're going to remember me saying that over and over. Small profits equal big gains. I am a scalper. I go in, I make small profits, but at the end of the day, I have a decent gain for me. Let me say that. What works for me? What works for me? Yeah, so I hope that you learned something today. You know, it's not hard. It looks like it can be complicated at times, and it can get overwhelming if you don't know, but I'm here to help explain it in a way that it was explained to me by the Holy Spirit. Let me say that, you know, the way that it was explained to me. Always find your place that you're going to have trouble. And once you identify your trouble places, that's when you go and you make your decisions based on, I'm going to have trouble in these places. And will these numbers change? They will. They will fluctuate as the market moves up or down. It will go up. It will go down. So you have to be careful at that. Yeah. So I'm excited, y'all. I am super excited. So this is my daily, I do this every morning to see where my trouble places are. And I leave those marked until the market opens. So yeah, follow, like, share, comment, all of that good stuff, y'all. So that we can learn and grow together. Let's say that. Yeah.